Thou shalt not pirate software. Privacy infringe on intellectual property rights and can lead to a malware exposure. Comprise data integrity and legal repercussions.
Should not hack. Hacking is unauthorized access to system resulting in potential legal action, reputational damage, and financial losses.
Social protect type password. Strong password management, including unique password and two-factor authentication, safeguards against authorized and access and identify theft.
You shall not spam. Spamming involves sending unsolicited message which can damage reputation, leads for the legal consequence, and waste resources.
You should respect other data. Protecting personal information through data protection policies and exception prevent data breach and legal liabilities.
You shall keep the software updated. Regular software updates address security vulnerabilities and improve performance, while neglect can lead to security risks and data loss.
Shall use technology for good. Technology should be used ethically for social benefit and innovation, avoiding harmful practices like cyberbullying and misinformation.
Thou shalt not spread malware. Preventing malware spread involves caution, online behavior, and using antivirus software to protect system from virus threat.
Official documents and work. Comprehensive documentation supports transparency and compliance, aiding in troubleshooting and knowledge sharing.
You shall continue learning, staying informed about new technologies and best practices, enhances skills and adaptability, benefiting personal and professional